Okay, we will answer this one. Simplify the quantity of 2a cubed b squared, the quantity raised to the power of 3. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, si 2a cubed b squared, i-multiply natin siya 3 times. Kasi raised to the power of 3. Okay, so that is equal to 2a cubed b squared, then 2a cubed b squared, isa pa, kasi 3 times. 2a cubed b squared. Okay, and then, i-multiply muna natin itong numerical coefficient, 2 times 2 times 2, so that is 8. Okay, then next, si a cubed naman, kopyahin muna natin yung base, then we will add the exponent ni a. So, 3 plus 3 plus 3, so that is 9. Then b, kopyahin natin yung base na b, then yung exponent niya, add natin 2 plus 2 plus 2. So, that is 6th power. So, yung final answer, 8a to the 9th power, b to the 6th power. So, choices natin, letter C is the correct answer.